Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for March 18, 2020. Today we're taking a look at the USDCHF, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, for today's daily analysis. Now, when I'm trying to decide which currency pair to record these videos, I often try to go with the one that's the easiest. That's really the one I'm trying to figure out for even myself in my trading is which one makes the most sense. Which one looks the easiest, the cleanest, has the best confirmations, and that's the one I usually pick to record these videos. And so when I look at the dollar franc today, I say this is a no-brainer. The trend is up. The market's been moving up last week and this week. Let's stick with that. Let's do what the market is doing. Let's go with the trend. And so in this case, with the current trend being bullish, and I'll just put a trend line here with this black trend line, with the current trend being bullish, we're looking to buy it. So when do we buy? We buy on breaks of resistance or dips into support. That's the best time to buy. Why? Because it provides low risk and high reward. In this case, we can see the dollar franc has been moving higher. It's pushed above the pink shaded area, which is 0.9585, 0.96. A couple of things there. 0.96, that even double zero price level, 0.9600. So that gives us a clear clue that we've broken that 0.96 level. Something else here is that I take Fibonacci from the highest high to the lowest low. So the last leg of the downtrend. Let's just put another trend line here. So that left-hand black trend line. Let's actually make that one a different color. Let's make it red. So that red trend line, measuring Fibonacci top to bottom of that red trend line, puts a 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level right smack in the middle of our pink zone, right around the 65.90 level. 65, or sorry, not 65, 96.55 or so level. Right there in the middle, 96.90. That's what I'm trying to say. 96.90. Right there in the middle of the pink shaded area is where our 618 Fibonacci retracement level of the red trend line is. So that's the pink zone. So the fact is, in the direction of the trend, we've now broken through the pink zone and the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level of the red trend line, which gives us a clue that we could be looking for this to go higher to the next level, at least the orange zone, 0.963045 or higher. 786 fib of that same red trend lives all the way up here at 0.97, which is actually closer to this blue shaded area up here. Let me see if I can pull that over for us. So that will be closer to the 0.97 level right there. So there's the 786 fib all the way up there. So if the market continues to retrace higher, the dollar continues to rise, which there's no evidence that it's not going to. We'll look for buys on dips into the pink zone, breaks of the pink zone. That's what we're looking at right now. 4-hour time frame. There it is. Look at it sitting on top of that pink zone. And this is the theme of this trend, right? We've seen dips into support. I'm just going to draw a couple of red trend lines within this trend to give us a little idea what's happening above this black trend line. Every time it dips, that was a pretty significant dip there, we buy it, and it's been a profitable situation. Down here, the pink zone, even at the bottom. So here we are, dipping into the pink zone. So it becomes our opportunity to work the pattern within the trend, buying dips into support, breaks of resistance. The next thing we'll look for, of course, is the break of the orange zone in the continuation of this pattern. Next target higher, 96.70, 75, but beyond that, we just looked at that 9,700 level where the 786 fib of the last trend range lives. So for the day today, buying dips into support for the dollar franc, risk stop loss, of course, underneath the pink shaded area. We don't want it to get back underneath there, and looking for targeting higher levels with the direction of the trend for the dollar franc.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.